Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to latest women's fashion. So today's video is about unboxing Bonjour Paris top coat and base coat which I recently purchased from Purplle.com. This is my second purchase, one of my favorite top coat and base coat. This combo from Bonjour Paris is everything you need for the perfect home manicure and pedicure. It includes both a non-toxic base and top coat to provide the perfect foundation for your polish and shine. This package is an absolute treat to the nails. Bonjour Paris Nail Polish Absolute Nail Lock for top coat and base coat. It contains 18 ml and I bought at Rs 335 from Purplle.com. The packaging is superb. I received the product in good condition. Now let's talk about what is base coat and top coat and why it is important. Skipping a base coat or top coat in your home manicure can really affect the look and wear of the polish. What is base coat and why it is important? A base coat should be applied for many different reasons. It prevents polish stains on the nail, allow the polish to stick and give the polished nail even texture. The base coat protects the nail from damaging effects of nail polish. Initially helpful in reviving the cuticle area, maintaining the health and growth of nails. Make cuticles and nails look healthy instantly. Next, what is top coat and why it is important? The top coat acts as a sealer to the color polish or any nail art. When the polish is sealed, it does not chip as often and also provides high shine and glossy appearance. One application of base coat and top coat extends the life of your nails as well as your favorite nail lacquer. Chip resistant nail hardener, no yellow nails. Special flat brush inside for smooth and easy application. Now let's start the demo. This combo gives the perfect color lock formula to ensure total color payoff your favorite nail lacquer. Always start with cleanse. Apply 1-2 coats of base coat before application of any nail polish. This provides a perfect platform for nail polish application of any other nail art design. It acts as a shield and prevents nails from damage, breakage and yellowing. Product link is given below in the description box. If you are interested, you can check it out. If you are new, do subscribe latest women's fashion plus press the bell icon so that you don't miss the upcoming videos. Bonjour Paris base coat dries very quickly. The reason I love Bonjour base coat, one of my favorite base coat. After applying base coat, apply your favorite nail lacquer or make your favorite nail art. Today I will make a simple quick saffron frenzzz manicure. After applying nail lacquer or nail art, lastly use top coat as well so that the nail enamel or the nail art is completely locked into the nails. This is a must-have product to maintain and keep the nail color intact, ensures total protection from chipping and gives radiant glowing nails. If you liked the video, drop a like, leave a comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.